Hello everyone, I'm Gabrielle. We are a family of 3 who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
Welcome to W Abu Dhabi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Every time Neil and I went over to Yas Island, Abu Dhabi before, we would look and admire at the iconic grandiose structure of W Hotel from afar. Finally, the time has come to treat ourselves at this luxury hotel. Papa is checking in. We'll just wait for our key.
Nice room.
Hey, the bathroom is nice. I put that in the bathroom. Wow. Oh, the seat is so comfortable.
The seat is so comfortable. Yeah, it is.
Hi guys. Hi.
We booked a standard room and got a nice view of the Yas Marina Circuit racetrack. How we wish there was a real F1 race going on.
What do you like most about our room?
The balcony. Balcony. Here's
The balcony. Is it awesome? Whoa! You can open it? That's cool.
Gab, what do you think about our room at W Hotel?
Cool.
Why? Why do you think it's cool?
Because you got a balcony.
What else?
And also remote control, curtain and lights and TV.
So you can control everything with the remote control?
Yeah. Hey, look at the floor.
Yeah, this is a nice floor. You wanna sleep on the floor later?
No.
No.
I will sleep.
After checking in, we went swimming at their wet deck located at the rooftop. We were surprised to know when the hotel staff mentioned that the track is open to the public twice a week, Sundays and Tuesdays. We were supposed to go inside, but unfortunately,
Gab, why are we not allowed to go inside the Yas Circuit?
Because we don't have rubber.
See, Papoy, we don't have rubber shoes.
It's okay. Hey Gab, what are you watching?
Bicycle race.
You're watching a bicycle race?
Yeah.
Are there a lot of racers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see them.
Blue,
Whoa, there they are.
blue.
they are opening it for walking and cycling, so you are expected to be in proper shoes and clothing. Our booking comes with the complimentary breakfast at the garage. And not only that, since we stayed for 3 nights, we also had tickets to the 3 theme parks at Yas Island.
Thank you. You eat alone na? Mama and Papa will get food. What happened to your clothes?
To your shirt.
And juice.
You choose? Why?
Because I spilled it.
You spilled it.
Tell your viewers what do you want.
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
I want to ride the boat.
Wanna ride a boat?
Yeah.
But we don't have a boat.
W Abu Dhabi is located in the heart of the island, where it is at close proximity to Ferrari World, Warner Brothers World, Yas Waterworld, and Yas Mall. I was a bit hesitant to book the W hotel at first, but I'm glad we did. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, click the subscribe button below. For our next video, we will feature the W Abu Dhabi. Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.